When camping and tested the jet skis here is how it went. Well, I didn't make it far, that's for sure. The other one didn't leave the dock. Oh, now I'm stuck. Aha, magic touch. Son, screw it, let's play as Joe. Man with the skis still went off-roading. For the memes. Made it to the top.